Okay, so this here is a piece of yellow box. It's fully seasoned, dry hardwood, and this is about the limits of my saw. Like I said, this is fully seasoned hardwood. This is the maximum limits of this saw. In fact, I don't think it's doing the saw any good, and I haven't sharpened the blade yet. So that's about as much as you can expect out of something as small as this saw. My next step is to make myself a blade sharpener. I'm thinking about making a miniature drop saw for my angle grinder. I'll keep you posted. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's been a journey. This is Old Troopy, over and out.